they're shooting cars with an helicopter from the top, from the side. Like there is a lot of like different shot actually. I need to go over like all the shot list.
I'm just doing my best to save this production company money, and I just found this. But on the real, I'm really excited to be here with these guys. Even Andy was the first person that showed me how to direct.
We are 25 minutes from the location. This is the last stop of civilization.
This is coming together very quick, though, we will admit.
We've always managed to level up our action shoots, and this time we added a real helicopter, so
that's true.
Level up. Wait till you see it.
Pretty exciting.
But I got it in.
What up? Made it to the desert. Love this team.
You have to be a short videographer. But it looks like we're on a different planet.
That's one small step for man.
Howdy. Yeah, we got the Unimog GT3 car, the whole crew. We got a helicopter flying in, and yeah, we're just gonna make cool shit. So Ty Evans is now full-time with Helinet. He wants to change the game with helicopters. I think it's really cool. It's very similar to this program. We're reverting back to doing things right, and that's what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna do things right with the helicopter, and try to have some fun and see what kind of stuff we can break.
Okay, Challenger 2 Mike Charlie, only 3 souls, 2 plus 40 on the fuel. We're headed to the dry lane.
Keep the good vibes. It's going to be a hard day. It's going to be everything, like help each other out, be positive, have fun. It's not going to be crazy. We're just doing this for ourselves.
Guys, so next moment we're going to do is James hanging from this crane. After the crane, we'll put up the wall. After the wall, we'll do a static moment. We'll hopefully do some portrait of James real quick, and then we're right on to lowering the car onto the straights like Andy mentioned.
Go a little higher.
That could look cool. What do you think, Los? Think that looks good?
We're here in the middle of nowhere shooting cars. This is how we do it.
What are you about to do?
About to do roller sesh. Gonna do car to car with the Raw Spec and the Toyota.
That's me driving the roller car, the rolly car.
Lauren and I are going to hang on the back of this truck. We're going to pace James on the straightaway, kind of get our lay of the land. After that, we'll move into Unimog. Then from there, the heli arrives.
Need to check if the microphone's facing the right way.
Hey, we've been doing this for a long time, bro.
Yeah.
It's pretty fun.
You want to say anything to the camera?
Hey camera, it's good to see you again. We're just out here hanging out in the desert. It used to be water here, believe it or not. We just went out for the first session in the car. It's perfect. I think it's a rally car.
Almost there. 20 seconds out.
That was a better one anyways. But it'll be live.
Yeah. All right, so this is a good moment right now. Race Service and Ty's worlds colliding with Helinet. It's a good group to be around, shall I say. Race Service!
Everything we've done so far has been on the ground. We've had the shot over on the van, Matul, you know, we talked about like, oh, can we get the van out here and put the shot over on it? And it's like, well, if you can get low to the ground with a helicopter, you can do the same thing. Camera system on the front's the shot over F1. Inside of the shot over, there's a red Raptor and a Canon 30 to 300 millimeter lens. That's all gyro stabilized. Use the controller here, up, down, left, right, zoom, focus. It's the ultimate system. It's the shot over. It's the best.
It's gonna be crazy.
Ty Evans got it set up so you could just see the epic shots he's getting while chilling in the van.
You know what's funny? We have these Michelin tires are military spec tires. They're very hard to get, but we just put them to the test. I mean, like, I'm not an off-roader. What I did was definitely probably not good. I hit a rock pretty hard. That was about the most fun you could have in an automobile.
Feeling you're just fucking wheeling it, dude. It was so sick. That was ridiculous.
How did the first heli shoot go today?
Good. We did it. Next up, shot number 2. Backwards.
RV 256 here, Mike.
Start prepping for the backwards shot, Ty. Copy that.
Backwards, helicopter, truck, race car, Unimog, as fast as possible, and top of 6 gear and reverse.
All right, they do want you closer if you can get any closer to them. Back to 1, we're going to go again. Action. Go.
I could see us in the reflection of the windshield.
Yeah. Pull up. They loved it.
That was the smoothest one, I think. Yeah. I was just staying on him as well on that one, where the ones before I was like doing the ground, coming up.
Bro, that was fucking crazy. Can we swear? That was crazy. I can't even believe that we looked over and just a few feet away from us was a helicopter, like right next to James's face, doing that whole thing.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
We're ripping.
Dude, that's crazy. Now we're getting the car back on the ground. Gonna rip some more high-speed runs with the helicopter in tow. Maybe some musty donuts, I don't know.
Look at this hat just rolling by.
I hope somebody's getting footage of this.
What an amazing thing to see, you guys. You don't see that every day, that's for sure.
I've ever seen you. It's a fucking epic day, epic effort. Thank you so much.
Where do we go, dude? I don't know. Moon. Going to the